Hello, my name is Chris Johnson, and today we're going to talk about how to create a Google site. So first of all, you need to have a Google account set up. Once you have a Google account, you can type in sites.google.com and it will take you to the Google Sites main page. To create our new website, we'll click on the Create button, and we have two options, Classic Sites and New Sites. Classic Sites is the original version. It gives you a lot of control over your website and a lot of power to add exactly what you want. However, it does require quite a bit of work and quite a bit of time to set up a web page using Classic Sites. Google more recently has a new option called New Sites, which allows you to create a really nice looking website really fast. You don't have nearly as much control and there's not as much you can do with it, but you can create a website really quickly using New Sites. Now, if you want to use New Sites, in addition to using this website, you can also create a new site from your Google Drive. So if we go to our Google Drive and click on New, we have to click on the More button, but then we can go down to Google Sites and start a new Google site. So once this loads, we'll see our options. The first thing we do once we have our new site is to give it a title. Once our page has a title, we can start editing it and setting it up the way we want to. Once we've set up our website, the way we'll access our website to edit it depends on the type of site it is. If you've used a classic site, you need to go to sites.google.com to open your web page to edit it. If you're using a new Google site, then you'll want to go to your Google Drive and scroll down until you see the new site that you've created.